All right, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and we are going to ask you a number of different questions, right? Let's start.
Do you like crowded places?
No, I don't like such crowded places because I don't want. I don't feel comfortable in such crowded places. So, answer to your question, I don't like.
Okay, so I want you to use a couple of words which are related to crowded places. Crowded places, places with a lot of people, busy places, rushy places. So try to use a variety of words there. That'll give you good bench score, right? Let's go on.
When was the last time you were in a crowded place?
Well, it was last weekend. I visited to the mall for some shopping, and found that the mall was very crowded, and I feel very uncomfortable.
I felt.
I felt very uncomfortable, so I didn't purchase anything and came back to home.
Good, this is better. All right, just try to speak fluently. Don't take any break as you're talking. Go on in one flow.
Sure.
Good.
What places do you think are often crowded?
Well, to answer your question, I found malls, different parks, and some historical places. I oftenly found crowded.
I often found them crowded.
I often found them crowded or rushy. So it's
The question is,
Is this
it's present. So answer should be in present
In
tense,
present,
okay?
sorry.
Yeah.
what places do you think are often crowded?
Okay, that's right. All right, let me ask you one more question before we finish. Do you prefer to go for shopping alone or with your friends or family?
I prefer to go for shopping with my friends. So I feel more comfortable with them to buy anything. We will discuss about the things. Either it's wearing a good or no.
It looks good
It
on
looks
me
good
or not. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It looks good or not good look on me. So I feel comfortable with my friends. To go for
Okay,
shopping.
that's good. So you need to organize your answer,
Sure.
try to speak fluently, and you also need to give proper answer with one sentence conclusion at the end and straightforward answer in the beginning.
Sure.
Right? Thank you. Good job.
Thank you.